ICSE Physical Education Semester 1 examination question paper along with the answers. Okay, so I have already ticked the answers for you all. Okay, so question number 1, what is a shin splint injury? The answer is C, pain in lower region of leg between knees and ankle. Okay, C is the correct answer. Number 2, to develop the ability to handle success and failure and equanimity is considered as which object of physical education? The answer is emotional development. So I think the paper is little hazy, but it is quite manageable. Okay, question number 3, which body type has high metabolic rate? The answer is ectomorph. C is the correct answer. Okay, so let me clear it more. Okay, so it is C, ectomorph. Okay, then question number 4, the stage from the age of 12 years to 19 years is called adolescence stage. C is the correct answer. Then question number 5, 100% perfection as hitting the target refers to a skill component. Answer is accuracy. Okay, question number 6, in which stage do people face various chronic diseases? The answer is C, that is late adulthood. Then question number 7, love of food and comfort is a physical characteristics of which body type? The answer is endomorph. A is the correct answer. Now question number 8, which fracture shows no break and no wound in the skin? The answer is simple fracture. D. Okay, then number 9, the process that starts from infancy and continues into late adolescence concentrating on gross and fine motor skill is known as A, physical development. Question number 10, the ability to perform a task or move from one point to other in shortest period of time is called speed. Then 11, genes and chromosomes affect which factor of human growth and development? Answer is heredity. Number 12, the objective of social development in physical education is B, to develop the ability to respect the attitudes and values of others. 13, lower back pain refers to any pain or discomfort experienced in the bottom region of the spine. Question number 14, health related physical fitness components are B, muscular endurance and muscular strength. I'm reading it out because the paper is little hazy. Okay, so it will be easy for you to understand. Question number 15, the training by an athlete should be followed without any break. Training by an athlete should be followed without any break. Which principle does it refer to? Answer is principle of continuity. 16, the injury that occurs when ligaments of ankle joint are forced beyond their normal range. The answer is sprained ankle. Then 17, the time shuttled run is useful to improve which component of physical fitness? Answer is agility. Number 18, which of the following exercise helps the body to gradually transition to a resting or near resting state? Answer is B, cooling down. 19, the principle of dash refers to the process of body getting used to training through regular repetition. The answer is B, adaptation. Question number 20, which of the following is not cause of sprained ankle? Answer is lack of calcium. Number B, lack of calcium. 21, which test is conducted to assess muscle strength? Which test is conducted to assess muscle strength? Answer is push-up test. Number 22, which statement about fracture is not true? Answer is D, there is a slight pain. 23, where do you feel pain in the runner's knee? Answer is front of knee. 24, in periodization the year is divided into how many periods? 3. 25, which of the following activities improve aerobic endurance the most? Answer is swimming. Question number 26, what is a concussion? What is a concussion? The answer is head injury. 27, the process of preparation of sportsman based on scientific and technical principles for higher performance is called sports training. B is the correct answer. Question number 28, It is a time taken by the body to respond immediately after stimulus. The answer is D, reaction time. Question number 29. Injury of the ligament or tendon around the joints. B, sprain. Number 30, the athlete must be given training as per the needs of game. Which principle does it refer to? Answer is principle of specificity. Principle of specificity. B. 31. Stamina is the ability of the muscles to perform continuously without fatigue. Okay, stamina. Number 31, stamina. 32. All athletes must continually work harder to improve as their bodies adjust to existing workouts. This is called principle of overload. Number D, principle of overload. Question number 33. The ability to control the body position while stationary or moving is balance. 34. Short and long periods of rest between exercises sessions is necessary. This is the principle of recovery. 35. Which type of strength is essential in shot put? The answer is explosive strength. 36. Performance and physical adaptation can deteriorate it if training stops. Performance and physical adaptation can deteriorate if training stops. This is known as principle of reversibility. 37. At what point in a person's growth or development does he or she become self-directed and experienced? The answer is adulthood stage. 38. Which of the following is not the phase of periodization? The answer is resting phase. Name the muscle fiber due to which the person will have more endurance. The answer is slow twitch fiber. Slow twitch fiber. D. 40. The principle of sports training states that people respond differently to a given training. The answer is A, principle of individuality. Number 41. The ectomorph body usually refers to lean body. Ectomorph body usually refers to lean body. 42. Which of the following is not the cycle of periodization? The answer is nanocycle. N-A-N-O, nanocycle. 42 is nanocycle. 43. The ability of joints to move in maximum range with external help is known as passive flexibility. What is the most common symptom of concussion? Question number 44. Concussion. Most common symptom of concussion. Answer is loss of consciousness, loss of balance. Question number 45. Parental environment is the environment of D, the fetus in the womb. The fetus in the womb. Okay. 46. The full form of MCL is medial collateral ligament. Medial collateral ligament. 47. Which one of the following is not a part of growth? Answer is maturation. Question number 48. Breaking a bone with twisting force results in what kind of fracture? The answer is spiral fracture. Now 49. Which physical trait is associated with an endomorph? Which physical trait is associated with an endomorph? The answer is C, soft and round shaped body. Soft and round shaped body. And the last question is, what is a fracture? What is a fracture? What is a fracture? The answer is B. It is a partial or complete break in the continuity of the bone. It is a partial or complete break in the continuity of the bone. So this is the end of physical education question paper. Hope you all have done well. So all the best for your future exams. So take care, stay safe, and give your best in your future exams.